Hi, it's Nora here. Today I'm going to unboxing my second order from a Hobonichi website. I received 2 boxes this time. Let's do it together. You can see here I was trying to save the stickers from the box. It's really sticky, kinda difficult to not to break it. The first box is full of the accessories I ordered, and the second one is all the covers and the techo. And here are all the items I received for this order. It's a big one. The first item is the 5-year techo in A5 size. I'm not sure how I want to use it. I might use it for my financial tracker to track all my savings or investment progress, but we'll see. And here is the Hobonichi Weeks from Yumi Kitagishi, her wallpaper design. This is a really beautiful cover. I actually bought these wigs for my mom. I know she loves anything about cats. I think this will be perfect for her. And here is another Hobonichi Weeks from Hiroko Kubota, the Night Cherry Blossom Snow Globe. I think I will use this one for my work plan, social media. I really like this design, the snow globe with cherry blossom in the back. This is the A6 cover from last year, 2024. It's from Keiko Shibata, the 3 cats on the toast. I think I'm gonna use this for journaling my cat. I have a tuxedo cat, and I don't know, I might use it to just write down the special moment with her and some cute photos about her. And this is the most exciting item that I have been waiting for. Is the A6 cover, the line fabric herringbone. The fabric itself is really light ivory color, so I'm afraid I might get it dirty, so I'm trying to put this clear cover on, but I don't think it fits well. So the cover is really beautiful and really like it, and I'm trying to pair it with the Twisby Eco fountain pen. I think they look perfect. rest of the items I received. Try to use every single pencil board with all my techo, and I think the next video I'm gonna try to film how am I going to use the Hobonichi Weeks. Here are the notebooks from the Hobonichi website. Thank you for watching my video. I will see you next time.